Hey there, welcome to the video. Now, if you're in the world of KDP, then you already know how crucial keywords are to the success of your books. But let me ask you, have you ever found the perfect niche, created your book, and felt confident that it's going to sell, only to hit a wall when it's time to fill in the title, the subtitle, and those 7 back-end keyword boxes? Yeah, I've been there too, and let's be real. It can be incredibly frustrating and challenging to find targeted keywords that will actually drive traffic and sales to your books. But what if I told you there's a game-changing tool that just launched and it's designed to make this entire process so much easier? I'm talking about a tool that helps you not only find keywords, but winning keywords. Those hidden gems that can put your book right in front of your target audience. And the best part, it doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or someone who's published several books already. This tool is sure to give your books that needed boost. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through this tool and show you exactly how to use it. Whether you're struggling to fill out your keyword boxes or you just want to optimize your book in hopes of landing more sales, or maybe your first sale, well, this tool is going to be a game changer for you. Think about it. How much time do we usually spend trying to find the right keywords? Hours of research, digging through data, analyzing competitors, and then guessing what might work or what might not. Now imagine being able to skip all of that. No more frustrating trial and error or worrying about whether you're choosing the right keywords. Instead, this tool is going to allow you to dive straight into what really matters, creating great content that sells. You get to focus on designing and writing your books while this tool handles the keyword strategy side for you. And that's the key. Not only does it save you valuable time and effort, but it's also going to eliminate the stress and guesswork from the process. What's even better is that as your book starts ranking for these highly targeted winning keywords, you're going to begin to see organic sales rolling in without ever having to spend anything on advertising. You're not just throwing your book out there hoping for the best, you're actually positioning it to succeed from the start. Now, let's say you're on Amazon and you've done your research and you've come up with a niche. We're just going to use this example right here. This is from my last video, this color by number niche. And so let's say you have this color by number unicorn books. You've done all your research, your analysis, and you want to use it. You want to get into this niche because you know there's potential for profits and you're pretty confident that you can do well in this niche. And let's say you've created a book and you're ready to upload it, but you're having a hard time trying to come up with more keywords that you can use in your title, your subtitle, and those back-end keywords. Well, one way that you could go about this is you could go through the suggested Amazon searches here by doing the manual search, searching your main keyword and seeing what comes up right here and doing all your analysis on these keywords. Now, to give you an idea of what my analysis on keywords looks like, this is the template or the spreadsheet that I created to do this very thing. And as you can see, I have a space for the keyword, the search volume. This is the 3 under 300,000 that you guys know I always look for when I'm analyzing a niche, the average BSR on the first page, as well as the niche score. And so this is just an example of one I did for activity book for seniors. But basically, when you have a list of these keywords from Amazon, you jot them down here, and then you search each individual one on Amazon. It comes up with a search, you write that down. You do your analysis for the 3 under 300,000 and you write your answer here. And then you keep track of the average BSR on the first page, as well as the niche score that's provided by the plugin that I use. And you do this for every single one. Now, this can be time consuming, and I've said this before in my videos, this can take hours, and this can even take days, depending on how many of these keywords you have, just to try to come up with the keywords that are gonna be the most profitable, that'll give you the best chance at ranking your book on the first page of Amazon. And this is where people get stuck, because this is the probably hardest part and most difficult part of the whole KDP book publishing business, is to do the actual research. But what if I told you that there's now a way that you can actually simplify this process and cut away all of the hours that you would need to do to manually do this process? Well, there is, and let me show you how. Now, this is Publisher Rocket, and this is a tool that I use that helps me with my keyword research, as well as doing the category search right here. These are my two favorite modules. And so basically, when you have a keyword, you can go into here, you can type in the keyword. So for example, our color by number book, and you can hit the Go Get 'em Rocket, and it's going to do all the research for you here. It's going to come up with all of these related keywords for this search. And then you can click this magnifying glass right here, which is then going to analyze every single keyword based off of this set of metrics up here. So we see the average pages of the books that are showing up for this search term, the number of competitors right here, the average price, the monthly earnings, and these two columns right here for estimated Amazon searches per month. So green is good, and then red is not good, and then the competitive score. So if you see green and green here, then it's good. But the problem is this can also take some time to go through all this, and you might not even find all of the keywords that you're hoping to find when it comes to your specific keyword and niche. But now there is a new tool for Publisher Rocket, which is actually this reverse ASIN lookup. Now, if you click here, what you can do is you can enter the ASIN or the ISBN of a book that you want to look up. So let's go ahead and use this one right here. This is the book that we looked at in my previous video. So let's say we've created a color by numbers book for kids, and we're trying to come up with keywords. Well, what we can do now is we can take this ASIN right here, copy this, bring it back to Publisher Rocket, and using the reverse ASIN lookup, just have to paste it in here and click Go Get 'em Rocket and watch the magic happen. And we can see these are the keywords this book has ranked for on Amazon. So if we go down this list, we can see all of these keywords: color by number for kids ages 4 to 8, kids color by number ages 4 to 8, color by number for kids ages 4 to 8 girls, color by numbers coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8, color by number for kids ages 4 to 8 animals. So a lot of these keywords are going to be keywords that we tend to miss when we're doing our manual keyword research, because there's just so much that we can do as humans. It's actually really difficult to come up with all of these variations of keywords that we see right here. And the thing is that these are actual keywords that this book has ranked for and shown for on Amazon. So we know that these are legitimate keywords that we could actually do more research on. And if we want to do that, we can just click the orange magnifying glass right here, and it will do more research for us. So as you can see, it comes up with the average sales per month of the books in this specific keyword, the average amount of searches, and the competition score. So it's very easy to do more research here. But what I would actually do is I would download all of these keywords by clicking export here. And then what I can do is I can export all of this, or I can just export the analyzed. But what I would want to do is export all of it, and then it shows up right here as a CSV file. And then what I would do is I would actually do research now on all these keywords. So instead of actually going to Amazon and doing the individual, looking it up here and finding all these keywords, and then going through the whole process of trying to find more keywords and just taking so much time doing this, now we can cut out all of that time and just go for the targeted keywords that already show up for a book that's selling well in this niche. And we can just do analysis on here. So what I'm trying to say is I would copy all of this just like this. I would head over to my spreadsheet, and then I would paste it onto here. And then I would do the search for these keywords. I would look up the search results, do the 300,000, the average BSR on the first page, and then the niche score. And it's going to give me the keywords in this targeted list that's really going to prove to be the winners for this book that I'm creating. So I did another search here for another best-selling book in this niche, and we can see all the keywords this book has ranked for on Amazon. And so we could see similar keywords to the previous book, and we're probably going to see different keywords. You can see this one has even more keywords. There's 10 pages here. And you can basically go through this list and just do your research based off of this information right here, which is going to be more targeted. And a lot of these keywords are going to be proven winners. So this is going to be a much better way doing your keyword research if you really don't want to do it the manual way. And this is also going to go great if you're going to run ads, because you could easily copy and paste this and run ads for these keywords. Now, if you want to learn how to take these keywords and turn them into a title, a subtitle, and fill in those 7 back-end keyword boxes, let me know down below and I'll be happy to create an in-depth video on this topic. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and hopefully you're able to implement it into your low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, as well as follow me on all my socials at JeffSetLife. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.